Responsive blogs, how to work with the topics plugin. All right, so from my virtual office, we want to come to our responsive blogs here, and then we can go in and add a new blog. What I've already done is selected a template from our template list. So we're going to use this news template here and go in and edit. Okay, so once we're here, we have our general configurations, which is our landing page for our blogs. And we're going to go in, before we start working with the plugin, is create the topics. All right, so if we come here to articles and go down to topics, we see I already have 3 created here. I'm going to create one more just to show you the process. So I go to new topic, and I'm going to name this article. Oh no, getting ahead of myself. Topic 4. All right, short description. You don't need it. You don't need a main topic. This is going to reroute you to another topic if you feel that's necessary for you. All right, and then we're going to choose an icon. So let's go with the piece here. In our main color, I already copied the color of the previous topic, so I'm just going to paste that color here, all right, which is a red color, and I'll show you how to do that as well. You just come to the color, select, okay, it's going to give you the color code here, and then you just copy and paste, okay? So that is my color, record. All right, now I have topic 4. Now what I'm going to go do is, just to give you a visual of how things are working, I'm going to my items, and I'm going to go to article 4, which I renamed here, just a bunch of placement text. Go here and edit, and when you're here in your article, after you have everything done how you want, you can go to categories and you can link it to a topic. So this is going to be topic 4, and I'll show you why I've done this in just a second, okay? All right, so we got our topics, we have our articles, and now I'm going to go to where I'm going to place my topic plugin, which is going to be in my sidebar. All right, so here we are. We have a container here, and it is showing us these items on this side. Now what I can do is I can come here and I can add up top a plugin, and then I go down here in my new plugins to topics, go down here and select topics, and now you can edit your visual appearance. So you can choose the number of columns. I have 1. I can up that to up to 6. To here, you see your visual on the side. All right, so let's say I do 2. And number of rows, we can do 1 row. We can do 2, 3, 4. You really want to map out how many plugins you're going to use so that this will look the best as possible. All right, so let's just come down here, 2 and 2. And I can change this after if I want. And let's add in our topics. Select here and just select the topics that you want to add in. I want to do all 4. Number of levels. All right, right now, this is just working with text. So our first level is going to be the main color, and that's going to be our text color. I'm going to choose black just because it's a simple contrast that kind of works with everything. All right, plugin title is topics. Going to keep that constant and press continue. All right, so now I have my topics. I'm going to save here. Once I save, get out of here, I can go over and see my topics. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, and 4 with my icons. All right, now what I can also do is I can create a new container, because I can also pull these and reposition, or I can create a new container here, go to add container, and I want to pull this up top, and let's say I want to stand alone, but first I need to add in a grid. Just come here to plus. Okay, now I can add in my topics, and then once I save, I see that my topics are up top now. And if you want, you can also go to your container and choose a background color just so it looks a little bit better. It's going to be up to you. I'm going to make it a little bit light gray. And I'm actually going to copy this code now, and I'm going to go to my content, into general, and I'm going to configure the background color the same as well. So that's going to give me a full box, and I'm going to press OK and come here and press save. And once I do that, I can see my topics here. And if you want one more thing, is also you can work with the margins. And I can come here to my container, go to my margins, and maybe I want to do, let's say just 5 pixels, just so you can see a short distance from the right and from the left. And then once we save, we can see that. And that is it. That is how you work with your plugins, the topics plugin. I will talk to you in another tutorial, and thank you.